Welcome to a new video where we are going to learn how to create our first project in Unity, and also we will select and prepare this project for our target platform. So as you know, we can develop games for multiple platforms, as for example Android, iOS, Nintendo Switch or PC, for example. So we will learn in this video how to create the first project, select this target platform, and also I will get you through a small overview on Unity so you can see where each module is. First thing, let's start with the first step, that is to create a new project. For that, you will need to open first the Unity hub that, as you know from the last video where we download and install everything. I will paste in the description the link to the last video in case you need to see it. We have already installed this and we have it prepared. So from Unity Hub, we will be able to manage our projects. And the first thing we will do is on the top right, click on New Project. Here we will create a new project where we can choose at the beginning different options. So for example, you can choose to create a 2D project if your game or app is going to be a 2D, 2 dimensions, or you can create a 3 dimensions project in case you want to have a project that is more complex in 3 dimensions. In my case, I will choose 2D. And also something important is that if you have multiple versions of the editor installed in your Unity Hub, you can choose at the top which one to use. So if you want to use the 2021 instead of 2022, that right now is my default Unity editor, you can just click here, everything will change, and you can create it for this version of the Unity editor in case you need it by some reason. We will choose 2D. We are going to create a new project in 2 dimensions. You need to select a name to your project, basically. So I will put Ben Games Apps. And finally, you need to choose the location where you want to create this game. So in my case, I will create it in the desktop. Let's create it in here. A new folder will be created called BAM Games Apps, and inside all the content of the project will be there. So I am logged in, so my organization is this one, and we are ready to create the project. So we just click on the top right and the bottom right, sorry, in Create Project. The project is creating, as you can see in here. It will take a few seconds, and once it's ready, we will configure it for our target platform. We will see that by default the project is empty, has nothing, and it's our opportunity to start from scratch, developing, creating, and that's all. So we just wait some seconds. We see that the project has been created. We can see it in here, and the first thing we will need to do is adapt the project to our target platform, because everything we will do next will be related with this. So it's important from the beginning to adapt it to the correct platform. So we have all the correct dependencies, packages adapted, and we can also, in the visuals, adapt to the different resolutions we will have in there. Okay, so just let's give it some seconds. Since it finished, I will delete all these messages that appeared when creating the project. And this is Unity. So this is our first project in Unity. And how we can adapt to, how can we choose our target platform? So we will need to go at the top to the File option and open the Build Settings. Inside the Build Settings, on the left, you can see here multiple platforms. So if you are creating a game for PC, that is right now, when you create a project, the option available, or we can choose, for example, Android or iOS, if we are creating our app for those platforms. In my case, I will choose Android to change it from PC to Android. Once you select a different platform, you will see at the bottom right the option to switch platform, and this is what we need to do. So we select the one we want, in this case Android, we click switch platform. It will take some time, we'll reload and change some things in the project, but once it completes, we are ready to build our games for Android. So since we are ready, so we have completed the step 2, that is configure the project for our target platform. This is very important to do. And the third thing, the last thing I want to do in this video is just show you a bit an overview of Unity, because as you can see, so here in the middle, we can see what we are creating. Basically, we have two tabs in here, Scene and Game. So game will be how a user is seeing the game, a final user, in his screen, but then a scene allows you to move or change the different things and create it easily. Let me open a project with content to show you better. Okay, so for example, this is an example of a project where I have some content. So in game, this tab allows you to see what the user will see. The user will see exactly this. But from the scene view, we can easily change and adapt the different components or elements we have in the screen, as you can see here. Okay, so we can move the different text, boxes, images that we have in our screen to different places. From here, we can manage all that. On the left, you will see all the elements of your scene. So this is a scene where we are just including, for example, the main menu, and we can see the camera, we can see the different elements as the text or numbers. We have a button right now, this white, it's a button. So from here we can include elements and modify them for our scene. And finally, we have at the bottom these three tabs. On the one, we can see all that our project contains, all the folders. So we can see all the scenes, all the scripts, the different images or UI elements we have available. And also on the tab next to it, console, we will see, meanwhile we are running the application, we can see the logs that we are printing in the console. So we can basically follow what we are doing and review if the implementation is correct. Right now in this game I don't have any log implemented, but in next videos you will be able to see it because I use it a lot to validate meanwhile I am developing everything. So I hope this overview has been useful for you. Just a quick view on Unity. In the next videos we will create in this channel, you will be able to learn more and see how this works. So thank you so much for being here in another video, and I will see you in the next video where we are going to create our first script in Unity to start implementing some logic in our game. Thank you.